Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So I've got a bit of a filming day planned and I'm doing some reactions, but I'm going to do kind of like an unboxing kind of video. So this will be a bit of a impromptu one because this was not planned today at all. So it might be all over the place. We'll see. So last October I pre-ordered a President custom jacket from Shibori Threads. If you don't know what Shibori Threads is, it's like a clothing website where they do like limited runs of like collaborations with bands. They've done like Spirit Box, President, they've done loads, they've done so many, and obviously it takes a while for them to get made because they're custom. So I ordered mine in October last year. I got the original parcel sent in February and they sent me the wrong thing. So I ordered the President bomber jacket, they sent me the jersey because there was a mix up with the orders. It became a bit of a nightmare, and then I found out I had to send it back to Australia. So you can imagine I was like, oh, this is fantastic. So something that was meant to be something really cool turns a bit of a nightmare. But I managed to get it sorted. I got my correct order sent to me a few days ago at the time I'm filming this. So, you know, all the people that I contacted through like Merch Plus and Shibori Threads were really helpful, so I appreciate that so much. So yeah, I thought I'd sort of do a little try on because I was opening the parcel when I should do a video for this, so that's the plan. Hopefully it's not a too long video just to show a jacket, but I thought I'd show you what it looks like, give my opinions on it and see if it was worth the money. So without further ado, I'm gonna check out his jacket. Whoa. So you see there's a lot of packaging, so we don't need that. Oh, that was the bag it was in. Oh, I was halfway through doing it. So, yeah, this is the jacket. Yeah. So, this is quite cool. Because I saw this, and I haven't worn a bomber jacket in years, but I just saw the design and I went, you know what, I have to get this. So, yeah, this is what it looks like. So you got President on the front, crosses, and you got like these cool little like chains and stuff here. Very alternative looking. So this is a large because it recommended to get like the next size, that's what you normally get, so it was a bit bigger. So that's the front, and the back it's got like half of it got the crosses, like the President crosses, which is really sick. And then that's the sleeve, and then on this side you got like some cool print there too. You've got like zips on it. But it feels like really good material as well, actually. So it's like, it's not like saying some of these things can be like quite cheaply made, but this is a proper like, yeah, well made jacket. And on the side there you got like some lyrics and stuff and the President logo. So that's the jacket, so we'll try it on. Do you know what, this is really nice. I can't lie, this is really comfortable. So get my head in. So yeah, so that's the jacket. That's the back. That's the side too. Do you know, I actually really like this jacket, man. This is sick. This is comfortable as hell, and it fits really nicely too. It's not like too big, it's not too short. It's just really comfortable. I ain't gonna lie, I'm quite happy with this. Really, I'm just sort of admiring it at the moment. I never sort of think I look good in anything, but I feel like this kind of suits me. And like with the hoodie as well. Yeah, man. This is dope. That was worth the wait. It was a bit of a stress when they sort of screwed up the order, but I really like this jacket, man. Like, it's quite a thick material as well. And it feels like really warm. Like, you could wear this like on like some summer day, like a festival, because it's not so thick that you'd be sweating in it, but like, you know, it gets kind of chilly in the evenings when you're at a festival or you're out about, so I think this would be good for that. And like, yeah, the design is really cool. Like, it's not one of those cheap transfer made ones. And then you got, yeah, like all the crosses and stuff. Grab it there. And you have the President logo there. And obviously you got the chains and stuff, which is really nice addition. Yeah, man, that's dope. I like this a lot. This is comfortable. I will be wearing this a lot, I think, for the foreseeable future. So even though it was a ball ache with the orders getting screwed up, it was worth the wait. Because it was quite expensive, don't get me wrong, and obviously because it was coming from, like I said, Australia, obviously the shipping costs it bumped the price up. If it wasn't for that, I don't think it would have been as much. But yeah, this is my first sort of like custom Shibori thread, like garment, if you like, that I own. But yeah, this is comfortable as hell. freaking love this. Actually looks not too bad on me. And I'll be wearing this probably at Slam Dunk. So yeah, this is just a little quick like opening of the parcel if you like. But yeah, this is dope, man. You can't, I don't think you can actually buy these anymore because after they have a pre-order that lasts for a certain amount of time and then they sort of cut it off. So I don't know if you can actually buy these unless you got the pre-order like when I did it basically. But yeah, this is a dope ass jacket. I really like this. It's comfortable and it just kind of fits the look that I have going on. So yeah, that'll be this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Stay tuned for more videos and I'll see you on the next one. Till then, guys, take care and I'll see you soon.